Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this preppy hair combo on Dress to Impress. So I am going to find this hair, if I can just find it. Oh, I'm like in. Okay, let's go to updo. It is this one here. You can color to whatever color you want. I'm just going to color mine blonde, and for this one I'm going to put the X at 0.45, the Y at 0, and we are the Y of the rotation is at 0, and then we're going to scale it to 0.35. I think I might change it to brown actually, and then I'm going to go to the straight one. I'm going to get this hair and I'm going to color that brown. Okay, then I'm going to go and select this hair in brown as well. And then, oops, I'm just going to sit down again. I'm going to also get this hair from the dressing rooms. Let me go here. Let me go to the code section and I'm going to get this hair in the bangs only in the same color as well. Then I'm going to get this hair. It's from the Magical Girl set. I am going to get this hair in the bangs only in brown, and I'm going to make some minor adjustments. Position the Y at 0.45 and the Z at 0.48. And that is it. That is our preppy hairstyle on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.